at Mehlville High School, I was involved in a lot of extracurricular activities. So I played junior varsity soccer as well as junior varsity softball, and I really enjoyed that. And with Coach Wu, I started training to run the half marathon for Go St. Louis, and I loved every bit of it. I was also in honors courses as well as AP courses while at Mehlville. And I was in NHS, National Honor Society, as well as the French National Honor Society, I believe, because I took French while in high school. I was part of Konnect, which I also loved. I loved bringing in the incoming freshmen, showing them around. But I ended up deciding to kind of take a leap 3 hours away and go to the University of Central Missouri, where I studied actuarial science and actually double majored in mathematics as well. Now, my senior year, I got an internship for a company called eMoney USA. So it's downtown Kansas City, where I worked as a data scientist, data analyst. And I was an intern there for 3 or 4 months leading up to graduation. And now I work there full time. I've been working there full time for 2 years. I've been with the company for a little over 2.5 as a data analyst, and we work on loan origination. So I work a lot with the underwriting for purchasing leads and loan applications and make decisions based off of that. My experience at Mehlville really helped me learn to advocate for myself because communicating with the teachers and, showing up and asking questions and getting the help that you need so that you can succeed and excel in classes is very important. And it helped me learn work-life balance because I was able to have fun after school, but also while I was in school, I was, up paying attention, taking notes, studying, working on homework, you name it. I think my best piece of advice is take the opportunity. If something comes to you and you're like, I'm interested, but what if? No what ifs. If I would have said what if, I would not have gone to the University of Central Missouri. I wouldn't have. I would have stayed in town. Maybe I would have gotten the same degree I would have now. If I would have not looked for internships, I wouldn't have started working in the field that I am now. Just any opportunity that comes by, I'd say take it because that opens doors.